Good afternoon, sir. I'm Sonakshi from TGSWRS JC Girls, Kanjara, Nizamabad. Sir, the project I'm going to present in front of you is titled as Unwelcoming Pigeons with Natural Repellents. So, the main aim of our project is to build gap between humans and pigeons in order to prevent all the impacts caused by pigeons on the human health. What are the impacts caused by the pigeons on the human health? The diseases like histoplasmosis, cryptococcosis, psittacosis and salmonellosis. These are the types of diseases caused by pigeons and pigeon droppings. So what we have to do to prevent all these? We have to prevent the origin of all these impacts is pigeons, right? So what we have to do to prevent all these diseases? We have to prevent the origin first. What is the origin here? The pigeons are the origin of all these impacts. Then the pigeons. How can we prevent pigeons then? So for the short-term prevention, use repellents. But what about decreasing the population of pigeons? We have to raise awareness. We have to try our best to implement our awareness and raise awareness among our community and whole world. We have to try our best to raise awareness. We have to try our best to avoid feeding pigeons. Then the impacts will be decreased and pigeon population will be decreased, and all these impacts will be we can prevent, sir. Thank you. So the scientific studies say that pigeons are sensible for the strong smells. That means the pigeons olfactory navigation or olfactory orientation is complex comparing to other species of birds and other animals. So this helps the pigeons to find their food. So as it just now I said that pigeons are sensible for the strong smells. So even a poor has the right to prevent all the diseases and protect his health against all those diseases, right? So even a poor, how can he prevent all those diseases? By using natural repellents. From where a poor people and from where a rich people, everyone can get natural repellents. From where we will get these strong fragrance materials? From the kitchen, right? So the strong fragrant materials in our kitchen which are available to everyone are cloves, cinnamon sticks, vinegar, peppers, citrus peels, etc. These all materials are the strong fragrant materials. What we have to do? Instead of putting these materials directly where the pigeons regularly visit your area, what you are doing? You are boiling those materials into the water until the whole fragrance enters into the water and the water converts into a solution, strong fragrance solution. Then what you have to do? You have to spray those. You have to spray those solutions wherever the pigeons visit regularly in your area. Not only using natural repellents, but you can also use aluminium foil roofs in order to reflect the surface and pigeons will be avoiding. So in order to avoid pigeon nesting, we are suggesting these type of roofs. That means in these type of roofs, the pigeon will be avoiding nesting. Thank you, sir.